soldier ready to face the ever-changing needs of a contemporary battlefield. So step right up into our scanner to see which procedure fits your profile. Chemical surgery or genetics. When we've selected your procedure.
Oh, I get it. It's a sheep.
It's a genetic alteration.
Oh, it's bright. Oh! What was that? Nice setup, bro. Oh, we're getting scanned. Scan.
Oh, I cannot leave! The bear habitat! Oh my god.
Oh, that's not good. I don't think we should go in there.
No,
Yeah,
we're going in there.
I guess we're going in there. The bear habit. Oh, yep. I don't like that. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Wait, there's a button.
Somebody push it!
I pushed it.
It's missing.
Gorilla. There's no gorilla.
Gestation period of about 8.5 months.
Chemistry lab.
Now is this devil's elixir? We don't know!
Yeah, devil's
Oh,
like.
it's a monkey!
Oh, it's a monkey. Uh-oh. Whoa!
Smells nasty.
Guys, he bit my neck!
Yeah, it smells like crap in here. Is Scary Farm doing smells? I think so. Oh my gosh. And it's really hot in here too. Holy crap. You probably can't see anything on the video. Oh! Oh, me Ben, that got you. That was cool. Get away from them. It's a good move hole. What is that thing? Grandma?
Grandma,
Grandma?
what are you doing here?
What are you doing here? It's hot in here. Oh, there's a guy cigar. I thought that was a video to see. Oh. Yeah, I don't think that's good. What'd that tongue do? Oh, hey, these are like from the depths. I think we're going into the fish area.
Guys, you can see where Steve's in here.
Hey! Box jellyfish. hell? What is this room? Simon says. Oh, nasty. Oh, you literally can't see anything in here. Oh, oh, ew, that's bodies. Oh, that's people. Oh, we lost Jasmine. That was disgusting. Oh, oh yeah, I don't. Oh yeah. Whoa! Holy crap!
Oh my god.
It just gets better. Oh!
Whoa!
Woo! Gotta like duck in here. It's like low ceilings. Could be anywhere. This is a really long maze. Oh. Whoa! What is that thing?
I don't know.
There's a step down.